Now here it is given that tan a plus b is equal to root 3, and tan a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. But there is a condition, 0 is less than a plus b, which is less than equal to 90. As you can know, see that if it's in a right triangle, this is right angle, the other two angles cannot be 0, or we can say that a plus b or a minus b cannot be 0. So 0 is less than a plus b. And another thing is that its total should be less than 90 or equal to 90. It cannot be more than 90. So that condition we have laid down. And another thing we have taken is a should be greater than b, because if a is less than b, this will become negative. And we are not having any trigonometric ratios for negative angles. So let us see how we get the value of a and b. So the first thing is tan a plus b is equal to root 3 for which angle theta is tan theta equal to root 3. For what measurement of theta will be tan theta equal to root 3. So tan, which measurement do you remember? Tan 60 is root 3. Tan 60 degree is root 3. So the measurement will be, if the tan of 60 degree will get, then its value will be root 3. It means, take this as 1 and 2. We can say from 1 and 2, tan a plus b is equal to tan 60. Because the RHS are equal, hence the LHS will be equal. Remove this RHS, you get the you can equalize the LHS 1 and 2. You are equalizing the LHS. Again you can eliminate this tan. What will remain? A plus b is equal to 60 degree. This is third equation. Now move to the question. There is one more measurement is given. One more information is given. Tan a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. Using this information, we are going to find for which value of tan you get the trigonometric ratio 1 upon root 3. So, for what will be the measurement of a minus b? Or tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3, then what is theta? Yes, theta will be 30 degree. So, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Now, name it as 4 and 5. From 4 and 5. Again the same condition, RHS is equal. So, let us take LHS equal and eliminate the RHS. We get tan A minus B is equal to tan 30 degree. Eliminate tan, you get A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Let it be equation 6. From 3 and 6, we are getting two equations. Later I will remove this from and I will get adding. At present I am taking from 3 and 6. A plus B is equal to 60 degree and A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Instead of writing from, we are going to write adding 3 and 6. You can even subtract. So on adding, you get here 2A, B will get eliminated. 2A is equal to 90, A is equal to 45 degree. Now let us find B. A plus B is equal to 60 degree. A is 45. 45 plus B is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, B is equal to 60 minus 45 is equal to 15 degree.